Hello, we are your Alsco team. We take care that you always have clean work clothes at your disposal. To make sure everything runs smoothly, we're sharing some helpful information with you now. If your clothes need to be washed after work, you can put them into the designated laundry bag. Please pay attention to your Alsco tour date and make sure you put your dirty laundry into the bag beforehand so that you don't wait unnecessarily for the next tour. Always be aware if there's a public holiday, as the tour day may be postponed. It's important that you have enough clothes to change so that you don't suddenly find yourself without clean clothes. If you use a locker, make sure you also wear the bottom items from the pile so that we can wash and check all your clothes regularly. Especially where people are working, something can always get damaged. Don't worry, we'll take care of it. You have many ways to let us know. Scan the barcode in the clothing with our service app and mark the area to be repaired. Tip: see separate video, report damage. Our service driver can also record information about the defect directly and forward it to the support team. In the event of a complaint, you can contact your service driver, who will be in real-time contact with the support team. We hope this information helps you, and now, have fun at work!